Use an M2 hexagonal wrench to unscrew the fixing screws on the top of the laser. Do not pull out the screws, and finally remove them together with the fan baffle. There are several layers of acrylic rings between the fan, laser profile, and motherboard. Unplug the fan terminal, replace the new fan and plug in the terminal, then close these layers. Put the fan cover on and insert 4 screws and tighten them. Unscrew the fixing screw on the top of the laser head, and then remove the screw together with the following parts. Unplug the fan terminal, replace it with a new fan, and plug in the terminal. Combine the fan and the upper parts with the laser profile and tighten the 4 fixing screws.